We are going to talk about on Unpacked this week a brand that hits very close to home. So we are going to talk about a brand called Mantl. This is a new brand, a brand that we've actually engaged with, wanted to order just one of their starter kits offline. They're a direct-to-consumer brand, and this is a brand that has really carved out a niche space specifically for balding men who shave their heads, it's a line of kind of skincare and personal care products for that. So let's check it out. This is right away. There's some pretty cool stuff going on. So simple one color shipper box that they've done here, tuck front. There's this kind of a half dome, the dome of the logo. They've brought that color and that graphic into here on this sticker to keep it closed, which is just a cool, simple element that ties that brand together. Let's see here. All right, so what you're gonna notice is a really good presentation right off the bat. So full flood coat on the inside of this box is gray. There's some of the messaging. Hats off to you, because self-care means that you can be bold without apology. And again, there's that little semicircle logo. And then they're encouraging you to get onto social. And then there's a couple of things that are coming into here. The first of these is a booklet. And again, really simple application, but it talks about each of the products. It talks about what they do, what they don't do. So like the cleanser bottle, paraben-free, silicone-free, sulfate-free. It talks about how to use it, each of the different products, and really the whole product regimen. So the way that they've brought this in is really nice. Inside of this, well, underneath here is just basically a packing list. But inside of this is a really cool paper bag. And, as we encourage brands to get more creative around these secondary packaging elements. So not just the bottle or the box on the outside, but the dunnage and the fillers and all these other things. Like Mantl has done a really good job. This is a nice feeling material. And inside of this bag, pull everything out, there are 3 products in this kit. There's a number of different products. All right, so this first bottle in here is a plastic bottle that is a gel pump. And this stuff smells really good. But this is I'm not gonna really break this thing completely down, but I will ruin it. But it's just a airless pump that is used, so you don't need aerosols and stuff like that. There are advantages and disadvantages to this type of system, but color is on brand. The label application looks nice, and overall that one looks really good. This next one here is a soft touch no shine sheets, and it's just a little paperboard sleeve. Inside of it, this is what I wanted to see, is this little injection molded dispenser. And so this is a cool little, looks like a lipstick container, but it's just a simple little flip top with these no shine sheets. And you can, like saran wrap, there's a serrated edge on here. You close it up and tear one off. And then the idea is that you use this to just remove oils from your skin. Not a product review, but a cool packaging element, and a neat little container for that. Then this last one here is this one is a I know for a fact this one's a custom bottle that was done for their face and scalp cleanser. And this also smells good. One of their things when they started was really creating products that didn't smell like you were going to the beach if you wanted an SPF where your head's going to burn. Overall, this brand has done a really good job of tying all these elements together, of keeping that brand equity, their colors, their messaging, their values at the top. And so, yeah, great job, Mantl. If there are other brands like this that you want us to take a look at, let us know in the comments below. And in the meantime, I am going to put some more of this SPF 30 on. It's sunny out. This is not the... This one's the SPF. Yeah. Now, I smell delicious. I smell delicious.